Hello everyone, today I will take you to unbox a climbing car, 10 proportioned model RTR pickup climbing vehicle. Equipped with 6-channel remote control. Adjustable to suit your control habits. Order 405 remote control batteries by yourself. Climbing car stickers and other parts. Equipped with a tow hook for use when the vehicle gets stuck or you need to connect a tow truck. The front of the chassis adopts an independent suspension rear axle structure, and the front end rear axles are equipped with differential locks and also comes with a spare tire. Both side doors can be opened manually. High internal detail restoration. Open the rear compartment battery compartment cover. Need to order 3S XD60 connector lithium battery by yourself. The space for placing the battery is quite large. That is it for today's unboxing video. If you would like more details, please contact us. See you in the next issue of unboxing.